Alam mo kung yung possibility na nagkakaroon lang din ako ng it's flattering and it's very disappointing. I'm not against everyone about it. May mga, content vloggers or artista na 'pag nalaos na, and they tend to enter politics. I'm not against that, but based on their ano,
Background,
hindi naman sa background. Let's say graduate din yung iba ng political science and they're just artists.
Okey, okey.
Pero ang punto dun, you're entering the politics in a way na gagamitin mo yung ano mo, yung pagiging sikat mo, yung the way you can entertain because Filipinos are naturally love to be entertained. And 'pag na-entertain ka na, iboboto mo na for the what purpose? Walang alam sa legislation yung tao. Walang alam sa mga ganitong bagay. Why do we vote those people? Eh, dito sa labas, sa NGO pa lang, mga foundation, they were able to help without even running for a position, no? And that's one thing na dapat natin i-inculcate sa utak natin that we're Filipinos, we deserve better. No, that if these NGOs can do something like this, an impact to the community, dapat naman sana, let's do in our different ways, 'di ba?